My name is Alfie. I've had the NeoGraft hair replacement. The reason why I wanted to get this procedure done was because I've been in the barbering and beauty industry for about 15 years, as well as an onstage performer nationally. So I decided to try to look into the procedure for my clients really more than for myself. I got to the point where shaving my head was okay. I wore a wig if I had to perform in a production, but once I saw how easy and quick and the results of the procedure, I decided to look into it more for myself as well. I went in and had my consultation. Everything was amazing from the minute I walked in the door. And I saw that the results were amazing. The healing time was amazing. The time between when you had the procedure to when you actually had hair growth was just phenomenal, that I knew that it was something that I needed to look into even more. So recovery for me was pretty easy. I came in here, I think on a Friday, and by Saturday I was normal. It really is a non-invasive surgery. Looking in the mirror was really, really strange. So you have to remember, I had been shaving my head for so long that when hair was growing out of my head in areas that I didn't have hair for so long, that I felt like I was wearing a wig. And as time went on and the hair got longer and fuller, I did feel younger. Weirdly enough, I felt younger. My better half, when she runs her fingers through my hair, I still have that sensitivity now. I didn't know what that felt like for years. I not only recommend this procedure as a client, but also as a professional in the hair care industry. The best thing you can do is call Dr. Cleven's office and get answers for yourself.